So more often you will require to have to draw great architecture diagrams. So if you look at the web, there are a lot of tools to do these diagrams for you. One way, of course, is to use the PPT or the MS Word document, but these are very cumbersome to be used. And then you have licensed tools like Visio, which are costly. So I think the one tool which gives great kind of flexibility is drawio. So let's have a look. The best thing is that it actually is available over the web. You don't need to download anything. Just go to drawio.web. You can actually open an existing diagram and it opens up a dialog box for you to choose which one you want to edit, or you can actually create a new diagram. If you look at the bottom, there is an option to get a desktop client version as well, but I don't need it for now. So let's do a create diagram. So let's name this project as demo one, and let's start with a blank diagram. So I create this blank diagram. I need to save it. Let's save it in the pictures folder, but let me save it as a .png, not as an XML file. So let's call it as a demo one, and there we are. Now, if you see the left-hand side, it gives you the usual tools which are there to give a flow chart or a UML diagram. So let's take the usual ones: the cloud, the circle, something like a cylinder, and so on. And so these are the various shapes which are there. And on the right hand side, you're going to see the shape fills. So you can actually fill it with this color, the cloud with another color, and so on. And you can actually change the way the lines are drawn, maybe make it thinner, and then maybe give it a different color. Maybe you can give it as a red color. So the boundary comes as red one. And then the beauty of this tool is that there is a variety of shapes apart from the usual ones which are available in a MS Word. So these are the ones, for example, if you have to do a cross boundary diagrams, and then we have something for people in case you want to do you want to showcase a user who uses it, and there are different styles of people here. UML diagrams for use cases for actors, users, and so on. Entity relationships. If you want something for your networks, for example, the storage, telephone, etc. This one, the Citrix one, offers a variety of server and hardwares which are there. And if you need more, you can actually, okay, before we go that, web icons is actually a great one to showcase your, let's say, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, and so on. So these are web icons. In case you need more, click on more shapes. Okay, you can search for the ones which you want. Click on Android. Let's say, click on the checkbox, click on apply, and there you will have it on your left-hand side menu. Okay, now the other way to do it is using the search option. So search option, for example, I do WhatsApp and then click on search. There you go. You will have all the icons related to WhatsApp. Or you can actually search for database. Sorry, I spelled it wrongly. If you search for database, you will get the cylindrical icons for the database, and so on. So as you can see, there's a lot of flexibility. In case you want to stretch it beyond an A4, you can just drag it a bit and the grid automatically extends. In case you don't want the grid, that's fine. You can actually choose off the grid option, and there you go, the grid option goes away. And finally, obviously, you can search it, you can save it, or you can do a save as for saving this diagram. So all in all, excellent tool for making quick diagrams for your architecture. Thanks.